Alright, this is Stony Brook T. Stony Brook, orange line. Been in here a million times. Let's take a look. You know exactly where to go. Here's where you can get tickets if you need them. There's a map. Sorry, buddy. Going again?
You want a ticket?
No, I'm good. Got a Charlie card.
Okay.
There you go, nice map. Right at Stony Brook. Look, you can look out the windows too. You can see the back bay. There's the tracks. Just for FYI, on the right, that's where Amtrak commuter rail is, including the Acela. And then here's the ancient orange line tracks. We'll go down the platform. As we go down to Forest Hills, on that side, we're in Oak Grove. That's basically going into the city. Oak Grove. Here's the map. It's an old map. They don't have the new one yet, but no changes on the orange one. This one's missing the green extension. That's how you know it's a new map, man. This orange will be a lot brighter, just a shinier, and then this green extends.